Guys, we got some wood rot repair to do. Some wood rot. So this video's for all of you who searched for easy wood rot repair and saw people ripping apart their door frames, okay? There's always a simpler way to do this. I just gotta see what we're dealing with here. Oh, no. Gotta get it out. Gotta get it out. See? There's some hardness. It's just over here. Damn it. It's over here too. Alright guys, that looks like the extent of my wood rot. So I'm gonna repair it. Dang it. Yep, that looks like a good fit. Alright, working on a shim here. Shim to fit in that slot. Almost got it, just need to cut that off. Now we're talking. Look at that, perfect fit. It's time for the product. Bondo all-purpose putty. Your everyday solution to your everyday wood rot problems. Looks like we got about 10.5 inches, 10 3/4. Mosquitoes everywhere. Alright, almost got it in. How am I gonna get this out? Damn it. Alright, getting tired of this. Just gotta just put wood blocks in all the holes as best you can. Oh Jesus, still gotta do that. And try and match, just like a puzzle. It's like Tetris. Just fill it with wood. Also sell shims, shim kits. They're also good for filling. Alright, that is enough puzzle piecing. Jesus, still gotta do that one. That couldn't have gone any worse. That was flush. Again. Alright, found a smaller nail. We're ready for Bondo. Alright guys, time for the Bondo. It smells like, I don't know, like a glue factory's anus. Yes, alright. It says to take it out and mix it on a surface like so. Keep it thin, and it's time to add the hardening agent. Add some of that. Now we mix it just like good old times, guys. Just like good old times, mix it up. Let's do it. See? Just keep it as even as possible, guys. Oh yeah? You want some? Jesus, I need some gloves. Hang on. Lay more goop. Add the hardening goop. Mix goop. Perfect. It's like nothing ever happened. Now let's get this front. It's gonna need a lot of goop. Goop it up. Get your smoothers ready beforehand. Feels like glue. Let's add a little bit more. That's looking good. I do have white paint. At this point, I just started putting on my finger and filling the gaps. Just fill the gaps, guys. Bondo, the magic solution. It says to use sandpaper, but I can't find any, so I'm gonna use this. Smooth it out. Thanks for joining me. Just got some paint, outdoor paint and primer, and that's all I got left. I cleaned up as much dirt as I can. Let's see how it looks. All right, guys, moment of truth. Good as new. Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna cut to the end. You get the gist. You know what painting looks like. Just paint over all of it. May as well do the whole thing. All right, guys, job's finished. Let me know what you think in the comments. What wood rot? I don't know what you're talking about. We never had wood rot. It's gone.